everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. Today I want to show you how to make potato salad. I hope you enjoy Japanese mayonnaise recipe that I put the other day. Did you recreate it? I hope so. In this recipe video, I will use that mayonnaise, and potato salad is also a popular dish in Japan. And today I will show you my family recipe based on Japanese traditional potato salad. And during this video, I will show you some techniques and useful tips to make delicious potato salad. So please watch until the end. So are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. I'm sure you're very busy, but you want to add one more dish for your family. So in this case, I recommend this dish. So we use microwave. And of course, you can boil the vegetables in hot water. My family, we use this kind of container. This is a heat resistance container. So I just put vegetables and put the lid and microwave for, let's say, 3 minutes. Now we cut the onion. And then we cut the bacon into small pieces. In my family's potato salad, I like the bacon and onion to be cooked. So we stir fry with using canola oil. Okay, so I turn on the heat and drizzle the canola oil. We put everything in a pot and stir fry until it gets brown color. I have children, that's why I stir fry bacon and onion so that the texture will be softened. And if you like fresh texture, please put in our water with salt and leave it for, let's say, 5 minutes. Then strain the water. Let's make mayonnaise. I do quickly today, but for more in detail, please check my Japanese mayonnaise recipe. At first, we separate egg yolk and egg white. And this is salt and pepper. I use Dijon mustard this time. It has a beautiful color. And vinegar. Okay, now we stir all of it. Okay, then we start to add canola oil. Okay, let's start. It's getting heavy and thick. If you have a food processor, I recommend to use that. But in any case, please slowly pour the oil like this. Now the homemade mayonnaise is done. It's so creamy. Ta-da! Let's guess what's this? This is a Japanese style mortar and pestle. We usually use this to grind sesame. That, since I make baby food with using this one, I noticed, oh, it might be good to make potato salad. You don't need a masher. Japanese style mortar and pestle, there's ridges on the surface, so it's easy to grind or mash. Can you see? It has ridges on the side. We use this one today. Peel the shell. So let's peel the veggies and put in this bowl. And for carrot, I like to be chopped into small pieces. So we cut. Then we chop into small size. So then we mash potato. It's so easy to mash potato. I don't mash all of them. And we add stir fry bacon and onion. Then we add carrots. Now we use a spatula and mix lightly. And there are so many potato salad recipes in Japan. And people put cucumber and ham also in it. It's a beautiful color already. And we add mayonnaise. I like creamy mayonnaise, so I put all of it. And mix all together. in my recipe. You can feel very smooth. Okay, good texture. For adding color, instead of using cucumber, I use dried parsley to add a green color. You can put parsley on top at the end, or you can mix with potato salad. So I do both. Okay, potato salad is done. Okay, potato salad is done, so let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. I put the extra dried parsley and also black pepper, coarse black pepper on top. Yeah, and it's natural flavor. It's very creamy, and you can enjoy the thick texture from mayonnaise. I can taste different texture from different veggies. Sometimes the bacon adds a little bit salty flavor, so it's a good kick. So do you remember the tip? Please try with using homemade mayonnaise. I put Japanese mayonnaise recipe on my another video, so please check it out. And please use microwave. So I put a special container today. And if you don't have a special heat resistance container, I recommend to wrap the potatoes individual with using cellophane and put in a microwave. Same process. For carrots, I recommend to peel in advance and steam. And tip, please don't mash the potato until it becomes paste. It's gonna be boring texture. So I recommend to mash a little bit so you can see the chunk. And tip, if you have Japanese mortar and pestle, I recommend to use it. It has ridges on the surface, so it's easy to grind and mash potato. And tip, to add different texture in a potato salad, I recommend to stir fry some veggies. For today, onion and bacon. And tip, if you are vegan and vegetarian, please add soybean meat or dry tofu as for substitutions. In this case, I recommend to stir fry fried tofu, chopped fried tofu with using salt and pepper. It might be good to stir fry with using sesame oil. It will be more flavorful. How was the recipe today? I hope you enjoyed. And if you recreate this recipe, please share with everyone. Please hashtag YUCa's Japanese cooking. I'm looking forward to see your creation. And if you also have a recipe request, please also tell me. Thank you for always watching, subscribing, and like this video. Everyone, see you next time. Bye!